This video is about how I usually make the floor for my kayaks. This is the first Gen 23 kayak I built, and I recycled the corpus from another projects. And the floor and the seat is made up of two separate sheets of corpus. The plastic cross beam as well as the back of the seat help to maintain the box shape of the boat. When I build my next Gen 23, I add an extra backing to the seat as shown here. This simple change makes the boat much stronger. I was building 3 boats at the same time, therefore I used a new sheet of corpus, 5 feet by 10 feet. I cut it into 3 sheets, each 40 inches wide. That would be good enough for 3 boats. And I have to measure the actual width of the boat. In this case, it's 28 inches. And I will have extra 6 inches corpus on each side. Then I measure the distance from the bottom of the boat to the top of the cross beam. In this case, it's 12 inches. That is how I determine the number. I cut off the side pieces. You can see the actual floor here. I have also trimmed the front part of the floor so it will fit into the angular shape of the bow. After I finish to install the crossbar, then I flip the end piece of the corpus over the crossbar. It's the tight fit, and that is what I want, and it will keep the boat very robust. I make 2 cuts on the corpus, so it's easier to fold the corpus over the crossbar. This is a very easy way to keep the seat in place. Just get 2 holes on the floor and put a strap through the holes and tie down the chair. I wrapped the floor around the boat so as to give better protection of the boat during transportation. And this step will define where other fold lines need to be. It is all based on the final shape of the folded boat.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.